Hi, I'm Hannah and today I'm going to show you how I painted one of my latest acrylic paintings on this tiny canvas, and it's called Women Are Magic. So maybe you just want to sit back and relax, or you even want to paint along. So I would say let's get right into painting. So first off, a lot of the times I like to start with a little conceptual, simple thumbnail sketch just to have an idea of how I want the painting to be. It also tends to help me with the preliminary drawing, which I already prepared for this video because I tend to not film myself drawing it, since that part is quite challenging for me a lot of the time. So having someone, or having the feeling of having someone looking over your shoulder, isn't quite helpful. So I already drew it in preparation, and I also already did the neon pink underpainting. In this case, I began with the background at first, and I didn't want the background to just look flat, which is why I tried to add some depth and structure by adding more shades of color and also kind of irregular brush strokes. What I've been trying to avoid lately is using black paint to make shades darker. This at least gave me the impression that the overall painting looks more coherent in regards to color. I would like to add that I have a small online shop for my art and handmade pieces at hannahstollenwerk.com, and I also have an Etsy if you want to order from outside of Germany, but you can find that in my description box and on my channel description. I aspire to be at least a part-time artist, so if you want to support me and my art journey, consider subscribing to the channel, like the video, and I would also love to hear from which place in the world you've watched the video, so that would be very interesting to me. Here I spontaneously decided to add a brighter color around the stars as a kind of glow or highlight, since the stars didn't stand out enough from their background before, in my opinion. Sorry to make such a big skip here, but since the canvas is so small, I have to work very detailed, and with such a small surface, it's a bit tiring to have the camera in the way all the time. Especially with the two women, I had to work in great detail and concentrate. But the main thing I paid attention to was that I worked my way from the darker tones to the lighter tones and to the highlights. Adding typography to the painting at the end was also an idea that came up during the painting process. I think that a motif simply lends itself perfectly to the sentence and its content, and I also like to use every opportunity for female empowerment, so win-win, I would say. Also, it's particularly important for me to emphasize that with the phrase "women are magic," I include every person who identifies as a woman, and also the magic of another woman doesn't mean the absence of your own. There is enough room for all of us. Okay, that's it for today's video. I really hope to see you in my next one as well. Yeah, lastly, I really wish you a nice rest of your day. Goodbye.